Don't say 我有头疼 We have to say 我的头很疼 Hello everyone 大家好 Welcome back to my channel I'm Ting Today it's gonna be the second episode on feelings, emotions, experiences vocabulary I have chosen 21 the most commonly used words of the kind in HSK2. Master the 21 vocabulary because they are the most common words we use in spoken Chinese. If you didn't watch the first episode, you can click the info card on the right top of the video. Remember that these 31 words occur very frequently in your everyday conversations. I would suggest that you memorize them as they will help you in expressing your feelings to others. You can download the PDF in the description box below. It's 100% free, so you can learn and relearn when you wish. Now let's get started. 安全 safe 安全安全在我的城市，晚上出去是很安全的。In my city, it's safe to go out in the evening. 在我的城市，晚上出去是很安全的。在我的城市，晚上出去是很安全的。饱，饱 full我已经饱了，不能再吃了。Or we can say 我已经吃饱了，不能再吃了。Why we say 吃饱了? Because this is a compliment. If you would like to know more about compliment, you can check this video by click the info card. The sentence means I'm full already. I can't eat anymore. 我已经饱了。不能再吃了，放心 relieved 放心放心你到家了，我就放心了 You are at home and I'm relieved 你到家了，我就放心了感动 touched 感动听了他的故事，我被感动了。I was touched by her story. 听了他的故事，我被感动了。开心 happy 开心明天就要去度假了，每个人都很开心。明天就要去度假了，每个人都很开心。We are going on a holiday tomorrow and everyone's happy. 明天就要去度假了，每个人都很开心。哭 It's easy. Cry 他哭了，因为公司不要他了。Or we may say 他哭了，因为公司解雇她了。She cried because the company fired her. In spoken Chinese, we only say 不要. Don't use 解雇、解聘 those very written words. Everyone can understand what you are saying. I want to say spoken Chinese is really easy. We just need very basic words. So we say 他哭了，因为公司不要他了。满意 satisfied 满意。如果不满意，你可以退货。如果不满意，你可以退货。If you are not satisfied, you can return it. 如果不满意，你可以退货。难受 uncomfortable suffer 难受难受哎呀我吃多了我的胃好难受啊 Oh, I have eaten too much My stomach is upset. 哎呀，我吃多了，我的胃好难受啊。难过，难过。Sad. 男朋友跟她分手了，她很难过。Her boyfriend broke up with her. She's sad. 男朋友跟她分手了，她很难过。伤心 also means sad. The example is 爸爸很伤心，爷爷去世了。爸爸很伤心，爷爷去世了。My dad is sad because Grandpa passed away. Compare with the previous one, 难过，伤心 is a deeper sadness. So here we may say, 爸爸很伤心，爷爷去世了。疼 pain 疼，我的头很疼，我的头很疼。I have headache. 我的头很疼。Don't say 我有头疼。We have to say 我的头很疼。Because 我有头疼 it's not correct. It's just a translation. The correct sentence should be 我的头很疼。舒服 comfortable 舒服。这个房间很舒服。这个房间很舒服。The room is comfortable. 这个房间很舒服。害怕，害怕 be afraid. 我害怕跟中国人说话，我的中文不好。I'm afraid to talk to Chinese people. My Mandarin is not good. 我害怕跟中国人说话，我的中文不好。担心 worried 担心，我真担心这次考试。I'm really worried about the exam. 我真担心这次考试。压抑 depressed 压抑，生活压力太大了，最近我很压抑。Life is so stressful. I've been so depressed lately. 生活压力太大了，最近我很压抑。着急，着急 worried or in a hurry. 登机牌不见了，他在候机室很着急。登机牌不见了，他在候机室很着急。The boarding pass was missing, and he was worried in the departure lounge. 登机牌不见了，他在候机室很着急。惊喜，惊喜 surprise. 女朋友快要生日了，我要给她一个惊喜。I'm going to give my girlfriend a surprise for her birthday. 女朋友快要生日了，我要给她一个惊喜。紧张 nervous 紧张，马上要面试了，小李很紧张。The interview is coming up. 小李 is very nervous. 马上要面试啦，小李很紧张。激动 excited 激动，我好激动啊，我终于到中国了。I'm so excited. Finally, I'm in China. 我好激动啊，我终于到中国了。放松 relaxed 放松，考试结束了，你可以放松了。The exam is over. You can relax now. 考试结束了，你可以放松了。内疚 guilty 内疚，我做错了事，他没怪我，这让我更内疚了。 Or you can say 我做错了事，他没责怪我，这让我更内疚了。I did something wrong, but she didn't blame me, which makes me feel even worse. So here, 他没怪我 spoken Chinese, but 责怪 written words 责怪。Okay, this is today's lesson. If you still need some more practice, don't worry, you may go back and practice again. Don't forget, if you want the words list, you can download the PDF. If you like today's lesson, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for further real-life Chinese lesson. Thanks for your watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.